Hello, and welcome to WingTips. We have another short series for you, and over the next few weeks, we're going to be covering the WingtraCLOUD platform. Today, I'd really like to cover a couple of ways WingtraCLOUD helps you organize your aerial data collection workflow, which can save a ton of time on projects over their duration. All of this really starts with WingtraCLOUD being structured by sites. If you're a current Wingtra user, you're familiar with the structure of Wingtra Hub or Wingtra Pilot, where everything is based on abstract named flights in one long list. This is fine until that list becomes too large, more people want to use it, or multiple locations make it a challenge to really sort through and find the exact information or flight that is needed. Now, in WingtraCLOUD, think of a site as a central holding repository where all of the flight information, maps, and other files to a particular location or project are held. Let's say you have an area that gets flown once a month. Before, you might have had to scroll through all of the previous flight plans to find one particular plan and make a copy of it. With sites, you will know that all of the flights for a particular place are held in one exact location. And it's a lot easier to simply go to the site, go to the last flight, and make a copy. Let's quickly make a site in WingtraCLOUD, and you'll see exactly how it works. And then that's going to bring us to our next topic that we're going to be covering in today's video. Once you've added the site name and location, you will choose the preferred coordinate system. This is a big deal because once it's defined, everything from geotagging to output generation will reflect the particular coordinate system that you choose for the site. Adding to this, based on the location that is entered, the system automatically makes suggestions from over 7,000 published coordinates. This makes selecting the right coordinate system very easy. And why else is this a big deal? Well, when you select a coordinate system for a site, even if it's a custom coordinate system, this removes a step involving further coordinate transformations. Coordinate transformations used to commonly occur when geotag data would be moved out of Wingtra Hub into a third-party transformation tool, and then that data would be moved one more time back into one's preferred map processing software. Of course, for experienced surveyors or GIS specialists, such transformations are not really that difficult. On the other hand, it is an extra step that anyone would need to do every single time. To add to this, transformations in third-party software opens up the risk for human errors, which could throw off data accuracy. When this happens, finding the root cause for accuracy errors nearly always becomes a time-consuming task, even for the most experienced GIS specialists. Beyond the time that anyone at any level will save with WingtraCLOUD, it's those who are less experienced that stand to benefit the most from the software. By removing the need for coordinate transformations with third-party applications and having everything managed in WingtraCLOUD for you, we've made what used to be a complex headache just another easy step in the workflow. In other words, for newbies, those complex problems that you never even know existed will never be your problem. But would you like to actually know how much WingtraCLOUD can save per project? Well, we've asked around our customers who are using Cloud. They told us that by removing the need to coordinate transformations, it can save anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes per flight. Think about it. This can add up to an hour or more for large area mapping missions with multiple flights. So, over time, you can easily imagine how this one simple change removes tedious work and makes your workflow way more efficient. So this frees you up for either doing more projects or allows you to focus on other areas of quality control. And the best part is, this is only the first way that WingtraCLOUD helps you and your organization save time. So stay tuned for part 2. I hope you found this video informative, and we'll see you next time for more Wing Tips.